How y'all doing, YouTube? This is Wakefield with another video from True Online Wealth. And I'm just going to get flat out into it. What I want to talk to y'all today about is the $200 a day cash machine. This program is only going to cost you $40. To join, you're going to save $50. As you can see, I got 4 free spaces on my flyer. So, like I say, just 40 bucks. When you join me, not only are you gonna save 40 bucks, 50 bucks, excuse me. Not only are you gonna save 50 bucks, when you join, you're gonna get the mailing report to show you how to approach the mail order business. You also gonna receive access to our turnkey print and mail service. Uh, you're also going to get 50 fresh and responsive buy leads on peel and stick labels. And all you got to do, once you join and get your flyers or whatnot in your marketing kit, all you got to do is mail out on a consistent basis every week, or, maybe every other day, or maybe even every day, but do it every week and preach to your downline to do the same thing. And their downline, and their downline, and their downline, and their downline to do the same thing. This thing is absolutely going complete bonkers. This program is highly popular in the mail order industry. Like I say, all you got to do is just mail out consistently, rinse and repeat, get your downline and their downline and do the same thing. I tell people all the time, just imagine your name and address on thousands, or if not tens of thousands of flyers each, with a chance for you to make $20 and $10 pops. That's the best of both worlds, getting $20 and $10 off of one program in your mailbox like clockwork every day, every couple of days, just depending on how powerful your mailing team is. So, uh, and that's what you call create massive leverage. And this program is designed for a lifetime. A residual income, extremely powerful. So, like I say, it's only gonna cost you 40 to join because there's 4 free spaces on my flyer. And you're gonna get your marketing kit. Give it at least, I say, no later than a week to get it, but it will come because we have a very good monitor who was over all the programs. So it's only gonna cost you 40 to join. You're gonna save $50 and just knock this thing out the park. We also have a conference call every Tuesday night, so you can connect with like-minded people and get all the tips and tricks on how to be more successful in mail order. And even if you never done nothing like this, this could be an addition, a good addition to whatever else you're doing. So what I'm gonna do is put the link below to my brand new blog, and when you get over there, click on the mail order programs page, and you will see this program. You will also see all my other mail order stuff, and most definitely check out the 2 stamp programs over there, because most people don't care about buying the leads and the envelopes. Since the postage is what's the killer. So just imagine getting hundreds of thousands of stamps in the stamp program. And then for whatever you got left, you can sell them for 10 a book or 50 cents a stamp or whatever somebody willing to pay for them. So the stamps are assets. You can think of those as cash too. So click on the link below, go to my blog, click on the mail order programs tab, check everything out over there that I got in mail order. And I got some online programs over there as well. And subscribe to my video and click on that notification bell and start getting your $20 and $10 pops in the mail with the $200 a day cash machine. Y'all have a good day. Bye.